Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix microphone not working on your VIVO Y31 5G. So first, what you guys want to do is clean the microphone port. So the microphone port actually is at the bottom right here. Now we want to make sure that it's clean and that there's nothing blocking it, because that might be the issue of your microphone not working properly or being muffled. Now what you guys want to do is go over and test the microphone. So as you guys can see here on this phone, we got the recorder app. So we're going to use it. We're going to click allow, and now we're going to start recording. As you guys can see, it is using our microphone, and when I stop talking, then the line will go straight, just like it is right here on the right side. As you guys can see, now that was a little bit of a space because we weren't talking. Let's save it and let's play it. But first, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go over and lower the volume a little so the ears don't blow up. As you guys can see, it is using our microphone, and when I stop talking, then the line will go straight, just like so. It is working. Now, if your microphone is not working, even after the test and after cleaning it, what you guys want to do is simply restart your phone. So press the power button, the volume up button at the same time. Now tap on restart, and the phone is now restarting. So I'll see you guys in a second once it's done. Now after the restart, as a last resort, what you guys want to do is go over and update your software. So we're gonna wait for our phone to load. Make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi. This is very important first. And as you guys can see, we still gotta wait for the phone to turn on. So this might be a bit laggy at first. But now we are just waiting for our Wi-Fi connection. So we are waiting for the network to show up. And then we will continue. Now we got our network, and as you guys can see, we need to scroll all the way down to system update. Now we're going to click here, and it already says that I'm on the latest version. But if you guys are not, then I recommend you updating. It's very important to keep up with the latest version of the software. And basically, that's it for the video. So I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.